Hi guys, welcome to yet another video and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a car lift because they are nowadays very common in especially in the cities, in malls and any other congested places. So I'll just show you how to use the car lift so that if you go anywhere where there is a car lift, you should not get confused. So hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for such informational videos. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so these are the two lifts. As you can see, both of these are the same size lifts. One of them has been marked as out. This is just for reference purpose. You can use both the lifts, but this is just for reference so that this left lift can be used if you're going out of the building, whereas the right one you can use when you are coming inside the building. The right one has not been marked as in here, it is marked at the ground floor. So these are the two lifts which are here. So today we will be using this out lift to go out of the building. So just another couple of things. So if you see here, this is the sensor which senses that the vehicle is under this, and the lift knows or the lift comes to that particular floor. So if you see currently we are at or rather the lift is at G. So when I take the car now and place it or go in front of this particular lift, the sensor will recognize, and the lift will automatically come to this floor which is P3. So these are the two lifts as I said, and then I will show you the driveway. So this is our driveway from where I will be bringing my car. So I have started walking in exactly in the front. There is one parking if you see, but the car is not there right now. So it becomes a little bit simpler for me to remove the car. Um, and this is our car. So I will be taking out this car. What I generally do is I have parked it in this direction. So what I do is I first take the car in front and then completely take it reverse, turn also reverse, and then I go in front of the lift so that the face of the car is facing the lift entrance. So let's try to do that. Okay, I have started the car. I haven't taken it reverse. I will simply take it in front first, like this. I will go as much as possible in the front so that I can take it reverse. Now I will go reverse. I'm going reverse in the path in the driveway which I was showing you. So of course I have to take it very slowly. So even if the car is parked behind, I am I I can take that. I can turn my car basically. Okay, so I'm now turning the car in reverse. It may seem a bit difficult, but then believe me, after practice, it is quite simple. So I have to now take it a little bit forward. Okay, I will again take it backwards, and I will now. My aim is to exactly go in front of the lift entrance, which was marked as out. Okay, so let me try to do that. Right, so I'm again turning. I need to go in front. There's also a car usually parked here, but yeah. So today it's not there, so it becomes a bit simpler. But it's okay. I mean, maybe just one or twice I have to do a reverse. Okay, now here I am. This is the lift, the out one, and this is the sensor. right? So let me take my car exactly in front of this sensor or in front of the out. Yes. Okay, we are done. You see the lift is coming now. I'll show. See if you can also see it is coming up from G. So again, ensure that you are in between the lift door so that, and please take care of your left and right mirror. So I have kept it open, but because this car is not that big, it's the Honda WRV, so it goes, but it is very tight. But if you can close your mirrors as well. So see now this I slowly, you have to do it very slowly. You have to go inside. There is a lot of time. The door won't close. So see my mirror is very close, but there is a space. Okay, so you have to go slowly forward until the front door. So the car lift always has two doors. It won't have a single door. Okay, so I will stop it here. Always remember to turn off your engine. Doesn't matter for EVs, but always turn it off. Now, this is the panel, control panel. It is at P3. Now, when you enter the lift, at least this lift, it automatically goes to the G. Okay, you don't have to press G. While coming up, yes, you have to press P3 or any other floor, but while going down, it automatically uh, goes to G. So the lift is going now, it's on P3, it has reached G, and now it will open. The door will open. Okay, so let's wait for the door to open and only after that start your engine because you don't want smoke to get accumulated. So we have, again, while coming out, be very careful, be as slow as possible, check your mirrors, and then come out. All right, so we are out of the building. It was not as difficult. Initially, it may take time, but then after time, it becomes pretty simple. So that's it for this video now. I hope this video has helped you. And in case you go anywhere, you can use the car link. Thank you very much for your time. And please do subscribe to my channel. I will keep uploading such informational videos. See you.